Hello students. Today we'll learn about the AutoCAD software and its interface. When you'll open the AutoCAD software, you'll find this kind of interface. On the right side of your screen, you'll find the already existing drawing, and on the left side you'll find some tabs like open, new, auto desktop, etc. If you have to open the already existing drawing, you can click on this open tab and you can select the path and select the drawing to open it. If you have to start new drawing, you can click on new tab. We'll learn the interface using this new tab. So let's go into this new tab. When you click this new tab, you will get into actual drawing interface, wherein you'll find different tools, commands, and different sections of the screen available. Now let us learn the interface one by one. At the topmost row, this horizontal row, this row will call it as a quick access toolbars, wherein you'll find the application menu, then open, save as, these basic tools or commands which are listed in this quick access toolbars like print, etc., drafting and annotation. In detail we'll learn about this later. Just below the quick access toolbar, we have this another row. We call it as the ribbon tabs. Under ribbon tabs, you'll find certain tabs like home, then insert, annotate, parametric, etc. These all are ribbon tabs. The one which is highlighted, differently highlighted, like here, the home is highlighted. You'll find that the one which is highlighted is in current use or is selected, and you'll find a different tools and commands available under home tab. In same way, I can shift to the different ribbon tabs and we'll find different commands and tools available under each ribbon tab. Under each tab you'll find different panels. Like under home tab we have different panels like draw, modify, annotate, layers, etc. In each panel you'll find certain number of tools or commands. For example, in draw panel we have this command line, polyline, circle, arc. Under modify panel we have this move, copy, mirror, rotate, etc. So in this way, under each tab we have different panels, and in each panel we have different number of tools or commands. So you can go to any one tab you want. You can go or scroll under any panel and you can select the tool or command you want to use. So this is what about tabs and panels. If you go below, you'll find this drawing specific tabs like start. You'll find here drawing 3, the one which is highlighted you are currently using. If you want to work in a multiple parallel drawings, you can add the drawings by clicking this plus sign here. So I've added drawing 4, I've added drawing 5, and you can shift to the drawing just by clicking on the drawing specific tabs. You can go back to the start menu by clicking on the start tabs, and you can go back to your drawing by clicking on this drawing tab, whichever you are working in. Now this is a drawing specific tabs. If you go below this black color screen, we call this as a workspace or canvas. So this black part of our screen or interface is where we actually draw drawings. Then when you come below, you'll find here this is a command line, where the use of command line will going to learn in detail later. Then just below that, this horizontal row, it is a status bar. We call this as a status bar, and there are different toggles listed in this status bar which are useful while drawing, which assist our drawing. The tools, or we can call it as commands, listed under this, or these all the symbol listed under this status bar, they are called as toggles. So Then after, on the right side of our screen, this vertical bar, we call it as a navigation bar, wherein you'll find options like zoom, pan. We'll learn about this later. It is used to navigate the screen. So this is a navigation bar. Then this part is a view cube, which is used to manipulate your screen. If you want to see the screen from top side, then front side, whatever side you want to see your screen, you can do it using this view cube. The use of view cube will learn in detail later. When you'll go the above section, that is the ribbon tabs, you can modify the ribbon tabs or the panel listed under it. If you want to see the certain number of panel, let us say for example home ribbon tab, we have a certain number of panel listed over here. If you want to use only uh, let us say 3 panels or some panels which you want to use and other panels you don't want to use, then you can modify that. What you have to do for that is you can click on this space in the panel. You have to right click on the space, then you can go to the option show panels, and whatever is check marked options are here that you are currently seeing. If you don't want to see any one of the panel, for example let us say group, I don't want to use group, you can deselect this, so group will disappear from here. In same way, if you have to use some panel and which you are not able to see here, you can get it back using the same option, show panel, and just click on the one you want to use. So this is how you can modify the panels. In same way, you can modify the tabs as well. The one which you want to see you can keep, and the one which you don't want to see you can remove it. In the same way, right click here, then go to the tabs, and whichever you want you can check it mark, and whichever you don't want uh, uh, you can remove them from here. So this is how you can get the panels or tool or tabs whichever you want to use. Then we have a option to minimize the panel button here. You can see this rectangle and upward arrow. So when you'll click this, let us observe what will happen. When I'll click this minimize to panel button, the panels will get reduced to a small symbol and a word. When you have to click or select any tool from the panel, you have to just hover on the particular panel. Let us say for example under home ribbon tab, when you'll go to draw panel, and you'll see when you'll hover your cursor on the panel, you will see the different tool listed. In same way, when I go to modify panel, annotate panel, I will find the tools, the tools will get appeared automatically. If I have to minimize it again, I can click this minimize to panel symbol one more time. Now the panels will get minimized to just a single word without symbol. Again, you have to select a tool under certain panels. You can move your cursor on the panel and select the tools accordingly. To get things back, you can click this option. When you're clicking this, the panels will get disappeared. To use the panel, you have to click on the tab. After clicking on the tab, you will get the tools and panels. When you move your cursor away, they will get disappear. If you have to bring it back, or if you have to bring it to original position, then you can click this one more time, then the tools and panels will get reappear again. So this is how you can minimize your panels. Then we have other options here, like you can type any command in this search box, and you can have access, or you can have access to the its information online, that how to use a particular command or uh, tool. For example, if I type a line here, line is a tool. If I click search button here, then it will bring me to a Autodesk website, and the detail about the tool will be given here, how to draw it, what is that tool, what are the different ways to draw it. Everything will get it here. Line command, when I'll click it, then step by step uh, method will be given to draw a particular tool or command that you want to learn. Then you have option of sign in here. You can create your account on Autodesk. You can sign in and you can store your drawings on the cloud so that you can access it from anywhere. You don't have to store it to a local drive. If you are storing it to a cloud, you can access it from anywhere. So these are some options available, and this is how the drawing interface looks like. Understanding more about the Let us understand more about the status bar. You can customize the status bar using this three horizontal line button, and whatever is check marked, you are currently using that. And if you want to make some toggle appear or disappear, you can do it using this customize option. And in status bar, the toggles which are blue highlighted, they are in current use, and the one which are not blue highlighted, they are not in current use. So this is what is the interface, and I hope you have understood this. Thank you.